Welcome to AceRocket. We are excited to help you get started. AceRocket is designed to support both teachers and students in achieving their goals for test preparation. In this video, we will walk you through how to use the AceRocket platform for SAT math test preparation. You will learn how to access our SAT math question bank, select practice sessions, work on bite-sized topic-based exercises, take diagnostic tests, and practice with full-length exams that closely simulate the real SAT exam experience. First, visit our website and navigate to the SAT webpage. You can access the SAT Math Question Bank by selecting Subscribe Now. Click Let's Start to proceed to the login page. For the first-time user, you can click Sign Up to create one, or you can sign in using your Google account. In this demo, I will use my Google account to log in. Once logged in, you can select from our services. We offer two types of practice. The first is topic-based, bite-sized practice. By clicking on this option, you can explore all the key concepts of SAT math. If you select a key concept, such as algebra, you will see all the subtopics under it. You can choose to practice 5 general questions related to algebra. After completing all 5 questions, our platform will summarize your results. You will be able to review both your incorrect answers and the correct answers for this session. You can also select a specific subtopic to practice. The idea of bite-sized practice is that you can choose a subtopic and practice at your own pace. For example, you can select linear equations in 2 variables and begin practicing. For subtopic practice, the platform will display 1 question at a time. After you complete each question, the platform will provide immediate feedback along with a step-by-step solution. You can go back to the question or select Next Question to continue practicing under the same subtopic, linear equations in 2 variables. When you feel you have completed the session, you will need to quit the session. The platform will then display your results, including your correct and incorrect answers. You can revisit and practice any questions you have attempted before. Additionally, you can send us feedback by clicking the feedback button, or review all the questions you have previously practiced. Let us click the Go Back to Home button, and you will find another button called Diagnostic Tests. The platform will offer you 15 or 30 questions covering all key concepts. The questions recommended for you will dynamically adjust based on your performance. Once you complete the test, you will see the result. You can review your performance by clicking the Performance button, available on the Session Selection page, Topic Selection page, and All Questions page. It displays the accuracy rate of all the questions you have completed. We have provided a high-level introduction to the AceRocket SAT Question Bank. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at this email. Let's return to the home page for SAT Math. In addition to the question bank, AceRocket also offers practice exams. You can try sample questions and review the solutions to the sample question. You can go to Module Package and download the practice exam in PDF format. The PDF includes 2 modules, Module 1 and Module 2. Each module has 22 multiple-choice questions. The platform also provides clear, step-by-step solutions for each question. If you plan to use multiple practice exams, you will need to navigate through our system. For example, if you select the 8-module package, you will need to log in to access the question bank system and choose the modules. If you select the PDF version, it will display 8 modules. You can download all the questions and solutions. You can also access the online version, which allows you to practice all questions directly on the platform. The platform simulates a real exam environment, so answers and solutions are not shown immediately. You will need to complete all questions before viewing your results. Therefore, it is recommended to set aside an appropriate time block for the practice exams. Typically, we suggest allocating 35 minutes to complete each module. Once you have completed the practice exam, the platform will display your results and allow you to revisit and practice each problem again. We hope you are excited to begin your journey with us. We are truly happy to support you and assist with anything related to your test preparation. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us. You can also send us a message through our contact page.